Welcome to the top best. The best Arcos Para Globos is probably one of the most versatile and eye-catching decorations you can add to any event, transforming ordinary spaces into extraordinary settings with vibrant balloon arrangements. Whether you're planning a birthday party, a wedding reception, a corporate event, or any celebration, these balloon arches provide a stunning focal point that guests will remember long after the festivities conclude, setting a festive and welcoming atmosphere that truly elevates the entire experience. Number 5. LMJIA Sticky Tack for Wall Hanging. Tired of damaging your walls with traditional fasteners? Our removable poster putty offers a clean and easy way to hang your favorite items without leaving any marks behind. Planning a celebration? These adhesive dots provide instant adhesion for balloon garlands and party backdrops, ensuring your decorations stay in place without any mess or drying time. Worried about your security deposit? This sticky tack holds posters, photos, and decor firmly, yet peels off cleanly with zero residue, protecting your walls. Unlike other products that can stain or damage paint, our clear sticky putty dots blend seamlessly with your decor, allowing your artwork to shine. These double-sided sticky dots are a perfect replacement for tacks. They can be used to hang posters, mount classroom decor, and are ideal for teachers, renters, and students alike. Simply peel, stick, and reposition. Our adhesive dots are designed for damage-free decorating, making it easy to update your space for any occasion. What we like? If you're looking for a way to hang decorations without damaging your walls, this is a fantastic option. It's renter-friendly and leaves no residue behind. Choose this if you frequently change your decor or need a temporary solution for posters and photos. What people say? The balloon arch kit is easy to assemble and looks great for parties. Sturdy construction ensures the arch holds balloons securely without tipping over. The adjustable width feature makes it versatile for different spaces and balloon arrangements. Number 4. PageebO Sage Green Brown Balloon Arch Kit. Transform your celebration into an enchanting woodland wonderland. This balloon arch kit provides the perfect backdrop for any special occasion. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic latex, these balloons are rigorously tested for your peace of mind. You can trust their durability and safety for your event. From baby showers and birthdays to weddings and anniversaries, this kit is designed to impress. It's ideal for any gathering with friends and family. Creating a breathtaking balloon garland is simple with this kit. It includes all the necessary tools to help you assemble a beautiful arch with ease. We are dedicated to ensuring your event is a dream come true. Our commitment to customer experience means we're here to help you create unforgettable memories. What we like? If you're planning a party and want a cohesive look with minimal effort, this kit is for you. It includes everything you need to create a stunning balloon garland in a lovely sage green and brown theme. It's perfect for woodland-themed baby showers or any celebration where you want a natural, elegant feel. What people say? The balloon arch kit is easy to assemble and holds balloons securely. It's a great addition to parties and events, making decorations look professional. The arch is sturdy and can be used both indoors and outdoors. Number 3. LANGXUN Gold Metal Circle Balloon Arch Stand. Introducing our stunning gold metal arch, a luxurious addition to any celebration. It's designed to be the perfect prop for creating a romantic and beautiful party atmosphere. Setting up this arch is a breeze. It assembles in just minutes with the included detailed instructions and helpful accessories, making decoration stress-free. This arch is incredibly versatile, perfect for more than just balloons. Get creative with flowers, greenery, or other elements to design a unique backdrop for any event. From weddings and birthdays to baby showers and anniversaries, this arch is ideal for all your special occasions. It adds a touch of elegance whether used indoors or outdoors. Crafted from durable iron and finished in a beautiful gold, this large 9.5 by 8 foot arch provides a grand statement. It's built to enhance your party's visual appeal. Elevate your event with this eye-catching decoration. It's the perfect way to create memorable photo opportunities and a truly special ambience for your guests. What we like? If you want to create a grand statement at your event, this large metal arch is the way to go. Its gold finish adds a touch of luxury, and it's perfect for creating a stunning photo backdrop for weddings, birthdays, or graduations. You can even customize it with flowers or greenery for a unique touch. What people say? The balloon arch kit is easy to assemble and looks great for parties. The arch holds balloons securely and is sturdy enough for outdoor use. Number 2. Large balloon arch kit with heavy base. Elevate your celebrations with this easy-to-use balloon arch kit. It's perfect for creating a show-stopping focal point for any event. Crafted with durable fiber poles and heavy bases, this arch is built to last. Water injection bags ensure maximum stability, so you don't have to worry about it tipping over. Design a grand balloon garland, reaching up to 8.5 feet tall and 12.5 feet wide. You can easily adjust the size to fit your specific party space. This versatile decoration is reusable, making it an economical and eco-friendly choice for multiple events. Simply adjust the number of poles to change its dimensions. Putting it all together is a breeze. Use the included clips to create a beautiful balloon garland, requiring approximately 200 balloons for a full effect. From birthdays to New Year's Eve, this balloon arch is the ideal addition to your party supplies. Make your next gathering unforgettable. What we like. If you need a sturdy and adaptable balloon arch for various events, this is an excellent choice. The adjustable size allows you to customize it for different spaces, and the heavy base with water bags ensures it stays put. It's ideal for creating impressive backdrops for birthdays or holiday parties. What people say. The balloons are easy to assemble and hold their shape well. The stand is sturdy and can hold a good number of balloons. It's a great way to display balloons for parties and events. Number 1. 3-pack gold metal arch backdrop stand set. This set includes 3 arch stands in varying heights, offering the perfect size for any event. These different heights allow you to create dynamic backdrops, making your event decor stand out effortlessly. Our arch stands are super easy to assemble and disassemble, saving you time and effort. With clear instructions, you can quickly set up your arches, making them ideal for any occasion. Built from high-quality materials, these arch stands are designed to be sturdy and long-lasting. They provide reliable support for your decorations, ensuring your setups remain beautiful and intact. It comes with a specially designed carrying bag that features 3 compartments, allowing you to store each arch stand separately. This ensures easy organization and protection during transport and storage. Whether you're hosting a wedding, a birthday party, or a corporate event, these adjustable arch stands are perfect for creating stunning backdrops. Their versatility and ease of use make them an essential addition to your event decor toolkit. What we like. If you host a variety of events and need flexible decor options, this set of 3 gold metal arch stands is perfect. The different sizes allow for dynamic backdrops, and the included storage bag makes transport and setup a breeze. They are ideal for creating elegant entrances or photo areas for weddings, parties, and showers. What people say. The Arcos Para Globos are very sturdy and hold balloons perfectly. Easy to assemble and use, these balloon arches are great for parties and events. The design is elegant and adds a nice touch to any decoration. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.